Just booked your cruise and wondering what to do next? I've got you covered with 14 smart moves to make right away that'll save you time, stress, and your money, especially if it's your first time cruising. I'm Dolly, and I share tips and reviews to help you cruise smarter and not harder. And trust me, number 7 comes straight from personal experience. If you've already booked your cruise, drop your destination in the comments below and let's celebrate together. Let's get into it. Number 1, confirm your booking confirmation. Double check that your name matches your passport or ID exactly. Confirm the sailing date, the ship name, your cabin. It's much easier to fix any errors now than dealing with them at the port. Number 2, create your cruise line account. You'll need it to check in, print out your luggage tags, and stay informed if any changes to your cruise. Set it up now so you're ready when those booking windows open. Number 3, set calendar reminders for important dates. Mark your final payment due date, check-in date, and when you can start booking specialty dining or excursions. These open up at different times depending on your cruise line, and the good stuff goes fast. And while you're getting everything in order, go ahead and request your time off from work. I've heard way too many stories of people who've paid their cruise only to have their time request denied and end up losing money because the cruise wasn't refundable. So lock in those dates now and give yourself that peace of mind. Number 4, download the cruise app. Now this app will be your best friend on board. You'll use it to check the daily schedule, reserve activities, and sometimes even message people you're traveling with. Most of the cruise line apps will require you to connect to the ship's Wi-Fi in order to work, so you'll want to make sure you get it before you sail. Number 5, book your flights and hotel. If you're flying to the port, book that flight early and always aim to arrive the day before the cruise. Cruise ships don't wait. A delayed or canceled flight could cost you your entire vacation. And while you're at it, do some research and book your hotel near the port. You want to search for hotels that offer shuttle service to the terminal as well. If these tips are already making you feel more prepared, hit that like button, and it helps other cruisers like you find this video, and it tells me you want more cruise tips like this. Number 6, start researching excursions. Now don't just wait till you get on the ship. Look at the ports you're visiting and see what's offered by the cruise line and by local operators. Planning ahead helps you avoid disappointment and overspending. Number 7, buy travel insurance. Your regular health insurance probably doesn't cover you at sea or overseas. A missed flight, a medical emergency, a canceled trip due to weather, it all adds up fast. Travel insurance protects your money you've already spent, and it helps you recover if things go sideways. Number 8, review your cruise line policies. Read about luggage limits, dress codes, what's prohibited, even their alcohol rules. Also, look over their cancellation and refund policies so you're not caught off guard if your plans change. Now, I know looking over these rules could feel overwhelming, especially when it comes to packing. So I put together a free 4-page cruise packing list that includes an outfit planner and a to-do list that I always use to keep my family and I organized. Just click the link below to download it. And number 9, check your passport and documents. Make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months after your return date. Some destinations require that. Also, review if there's any additional documentations that will be required if your name has changed and or your children's name is different than yours. Number 10, join a Facebook group or a cruise roll call. It's a simple way to ask questions, meet people who will be on your ship, and find out about unofficial meetups or group excursions if you are interested. You'll also pick up tips you won't find on the cruise website. Number 11, plan your transportation to the port. If you're driving to the terminal, book parking ahead of time. It's often cheaper and it guarantees you a spot. If you're taking a shuttle or rideshare, know where the pickup zones are and schedule them early, especially during the peak embarkation times. Number 13, talk to your travel party. Make sure everybody in your group knows the plan, when to arrive, what to pack, and what's already been booked. Creating a group text now can save a lot of confusion on boarding day. Number 14, set your cruise budget. Beyond the ticket price, think about gratuities, drinks, souvenirs, and transportation. Knowing what to expect helps you stay in control and avoid overspending. Now with that, you'll definitely want to check out my 15 cruise hacks I wish I knew sooner. It's full of tips that'll save you money and skip the rookie mistakes. I'll meet you there.